Lockheed Martin Fortis. Complex, massive construction involves hours of grueling operation with really heavy tools. Their weight easily exceeds 24 pounds. In the past, workers simply had no choice but to take frequent rest breaks. But they were still tired. Work was slow, and because of fatigue, people were more likely to make mistakes. Today, fortunately, things are slowly changing. The American military-industrial company Lockheed Martin has introduced the Fortis exoskeleton to the world. This futuristic design may look like something from science movies, but it brings a lot of benefits. Metal rods take the weight load on themselves and then transfer it to the floor. Thus, an operator in an exoskeleton can lift objects weighing up to 50 pounds, but feel them as if they weigh nothing at all. The metal part at the back is a kind of ballast, which additionally frees the back. Numerous tests have shown that Fortis reduces the strain on human muscles by as much as 300%, and this in turn allows you to significantly increase your productivity. A 2-hour shift that used to exhaust 4 people is now done by 1 worker who is willing to work even longer without a break. Yes, walking in it is not too comfortable. You feel clumsy. But standing in one place and working is just fine. Hilti SDT-9, and here is this equipment designed for fixing cross slabs and frameworks. This is a high-performance vertical adapter, model SDT-9 from Hilti. It uses screws in a strip, with a magazine capacity of 25 pieces. Minimum screw length is 0.70 inches. Maximum is 1.50 inches. The SDT-9 allows you to drive screws many times faster and work in a comfortable standing position. The operator is less tired and therefore more productive. Hilti DD 200G02. Concrete, brick, stone. These are all extremely tough, hard materials that not every professional tool can handle. If you work with these materials for a long time on a construction or repair site, you simply cannot do without such equipment as a diamond drilling machine. These are rather large machines that consist of several important parts: the crown, the drive, and the stand. The crown is a working tool that digs into the material, creating a hole in it. The drive is the part that puts the crown into action. Well, the stand is needed to hold the working tool in a fixed, stable position. It should be understood that the weight of diamond installations exceeds 60 pounds, so it is not possible to hold them in your hands, of course. The model you see on the screen is called DD200G02. A company from Liechtenstein called Hilti is producing a similar one. It is ideal for medium to large holes, working in a range of diameters from 1 to 19 inches. The unit is best suited for drilling concrete, as shown in the video. "90-degree impact wrench kit." The next tool we're going to talk about is a surprisingly compact, easy-to-use impact wrench developed by the American company Klein Tools. Traditional ways of tightening nuts are simple and versatile, but the rhythmic movements that have to be repeated more than once during a shift put serious strain on your shoulder and wrist. If you look at the wrenches on the market, you can see one thing all models have in common: bulky. You have to work in an uncomfortable position, and again overstretching your arms. The Klein Tools wrench is devoid of all the described disadvantages. It has a low weight of only 11 pounds and a minimum length of 11 inches. Thus, workers do not have to extend their arms unnecessarily. The tool copes with its tasks quickly and playfully. The number of revolutions per minute reaches 1,800. The nutcracker creates a force of 90 pound-inches. So it is suitable for installing fasteners not only in wood, but also in metal and concrete. Additional advantages: built-in light, so that the work does not get up even with the setting of the sun. Yeti Tool Smart Bench. Of course, we simply could not pass by such equipment as numerically controlled milling machines. These are high-precision machines designed to cope with the most complex work in a short time, and to do it extremely accurately and qualitatively. We are used to thinking that this is a complex, huge equipment that takes up a lot of space. And in general, this is really true. However, there is an exception to every rule. Last year, the British company Yeti Tool presented the world's first milling machine, which can be assembled literally in 5 minutes. Such efficiency itself does not adversely affect the power of the quality of the finished work. Relatively compact size does not constrain the technological capabilities of the equipment. Processing accuracy is guaranteed. The error does not exceed 0.0050 inches. The machine works with soft and hardwood, composite materials, various types of plastic, soft metal like aluminum, copper, and brass. It weighs 190 pounds, is about 9 feet long and 5 feet wide. The available working area is quite a bit smaller than the described dimensions. The machine has the simplest software so that it can be used not only in workshops and factories, but also in schools. Powermatic PM 2820. Drilling, a task that has to be done all the time during renovation, construction, and product creation. But it turns out that not all work can be accomplished with the most standard of conventional drills. For example, you are unlikely to be able to make a lot of small, up to a centimeter in diameter, identical holes in a rigid material. It is in such cases that a drilling machine comes in handy. It creates through holes as well as blind holes. In addition, it can handle countersinking, cutting, reaming, and many other non-standard tasks. The PM 2820 from the American company Powermatic is a powerful high-tech machine that boasts many advantages. An enlarged molded base adds stability. LED lighting improves visibility, eliminates the possibility of shadows on the work surface. Thanks to its uniform torque, the machine is suitable for a wide variety of materials. It can be operated at low speeds from 150 to 870 revolutions per minute, and at high speeds from 600 to 3,600 revolutions per minute. Laser pointers are responsible for the high quality of work and precision. Festool's CT48E AC HEPA Cleantech. All drilling tasks are potentially dangerous for humans. And it's not even the risk of injury to a limb. It's the fact that during work, the air is filled with a large amount of dust harmful to the body. It is for this reason that the Festool dust extractor has made our list today. Not only does it significantly reduce health risks, but it also helps keep your work area clean. But that's not all. This particular model compares favorably with its competitors with its automatic filter cleaning technology. It helps to maintain a high, stable suction power and frees the operator from the need to spend time cleaning the filters. Milwaukee M80 Pack-Out. The latest invention we are going to show you today is not exactly a tool, but it will still come in handy on any construction repair site. It is a multifunctional device that can charge gadgets, as well as illuminate the work site. Developers of the American company Milwaukee equipped the box with 3 independent bright lights that shine in one or different directions. The rechargeable battery is powerful enough to keep it running for about 30 hours.